So in this topic we are going to take a quick glance at physical unit operations in wastewater treatment. Physical unit operation means the processes, the operations will be following the laws of physics and will be using the physical forces to get the things done. There will be no involvement of molecular level of wastewater. There will be no involvement of bacteriological or microbial action in these units. Okay, simply the units are going to follow the laws of physics and they are going to utilize the forces of physics. Okay, so let's go to the first basic physical unit operation, which is screening. So, screening is the simplest operation you can observe in a wastewater treatment or wastewater treatment plant, in which we are going to use bar screen racks in order to in order to capture coarse and settleable solids. Okay, it is nothing but a process of surface training. Whatever the impurities, whatever the floating objects are there in wastewater are captured on the surface itself by the screening units or racks or the screens. Okay, then we are going to see comminution. See, comminution is nothing but the process of grinding or shredding coarse solids. Okay, you can imagine comminution as combination of screening as well as shredding. Means the objects are trapped first, then they are shredded into smaller size so that they can be treated further in wastewater treatment plant. Okay, comminutors are there, barminutors are there, and macerators are there, which are used to conduct the process of comminution. Alright, then we are going to see what equalization is. Now see, when we are saying equalization, it consists of three things. Okay, we are going to equalize the flow. Whatever the volume which will be incoming over the unit is equalized, then whatever the mass, whatever the organic loading is there, whatever the loading content of wastewater is there, it is balanced so that the unit will receive a constant concentration of wastewater which is meant to be treated by it. Okay, then biological oxygen demand and suspended solid inflow is maintained. Okay, whatever the units are there in wastewater treatment plant, they are supposed to act, they are supposed to have their maximum efficiency for a given concentration of wastewater. That's why this concentration is to be maintained by some process, and this process is called as equalization or simply flow equalization. Okay, then we will see what mixing is. See, mixing is targeted for the chemical, whatever the gases that we are going to introduce in order to support some process or in order to act as an active material in the process. Okay, in coagulation, chemical are to be mixed. In during sludge treatment, chemical are to be mixed. Then while we are carrying out flotation, gas is to be mixed. Okay, this is why mixing is also another important process in wastewater treatment. Okay, what we achieve by mixing, we keep the solids in suspension. For example, while the flotation process, all the particles which are present inside the wastewater are kept in floating, are kept afloat, they are kept in suspension by this mixing process. When we are mixing the gas properly, when we are mixing air properly inside the unit. Okay, then what is flocculation? Flocculation means formation of floc. See, whenever wastewater is received, it contains small particles of wastewater, small particles of waste. Now, these small particles do not settle easily, they cannot be removed easily. Then what we can do over there is we induce some chemical, we add some coagulant so that a cloud of small particle is formed which is easy to remove, which easily settles and thus can be taken care of by removal in, let's say, filtration or in sedimentation tank. Okay, this is why flocculation is another important process. Okay, then we will see what sedimentation is. See, sedimentation, the word sediment means particles. Now, when we are saying sedimentation is taking place in wastewater treatment plant, we are looking at settling of particle. Okay, which particle? Settleable solids. Whatever the solids are there that can be settled by merely by simply using the force of gravity are removed in sedimentation tank. Force of gravitation is used for this process. Now, in order to improve the sedimentation characteristics of the wastewater particle, what we do? We can add a coagulant to that. Now, we just saw coagulant. Coagulant does what? It adheres to the small particle. It forms a group, a cluster, a flock that is easily settleable in wastewater. Okay, then this coagulation is done to improve, to aid the sedimentation process. Okay, now let's see what flotation is. Alright, flotation is done for getting rid of particle. Okay, now which particle? The particle that have same specific gravity as that of water can be taken care by the flotation process. Now what we do in flotation? We diffuse air in the wastewater in order to lift the particle. What happens over there is the air bubble adheres to the particle, and since buoyancy of air bubble inside water is more, that's why it will go upward, and along with the upward motion it is going to carry some particles along with it. Okay, now these particles, when they come to the upper surface, to the topmost surface, they can be skimmed off, they can be removed, they can be directly chopped off from the upper volumes of wastewater. Thus we can remove the non-settleable particles by using the process of flotation. Okay, then filtration. What filtration is? Filtration is nothing but removal of residual particle. Whatever the flock that we have settled while we carried out sedimentation process are removed in the process of filtration. Okay, it is done after biological or chemical treatment. Okay, chemical treatment means addition of chemical in order to receive some precipitated form of wastewater organic or inorganic particle is done in chemical treatment. And in biological treatment, whatever the biological action has taken and the particle which cannot be treated then biologically are then simply filtered out in filtration process. Okay, then micro screening. Micro screening is very much similar to filtration. Micro screening is utilized in order to remove algae from oxidation pond. When we are aiming at micro screening, we are looking at a very high quality effluent, because whatever the smallest size of particle is there can be removed by micro screening, which cannot be removed by filtration is removed by micro screening also. Okay, so these were the physical unit operations or physical unit processes in wastewater treatment. Okay, we call them physical unit operation because they follow the laws of physics and make the best utility of physical forces without any involvement of biological or chemical action or process or concept. So that was all. Do follow us on the main channel, which is Simplified Learning. If you are a Hindi viewer, do check Simplified Learning Hindi. Follow us on Telegram for quizzes, test series, notes, PDF, etc. And for the quirkiest meme of civil engineering, do follow us on Instagram. Till then, take care. Bye bye.